guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. So I am back with another interesting and informative video, and today I am going to share some home remedies regarding glowing skin. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Number 1 is cleansing with honey. Honey is a natural humectant and has antibacterial properties. Use raw honey to cleanse your face daily. Simply massage it onto damp skin, leave it for a few minutes, then rinse out with warm water. Number 2 is exfoliation with sugar scrub. Create a gentle exfoliating scrub using sugar and olive oil. Mix equal parts of sugar and olive oil to form a paste. Gently massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions, then rinse out with warm water. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin. Number 3 is toning with rose water. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties and helps maintain the skin's pH balance. Use it as a toner by applying it to your face with a cotton pad after cleansing. Number 4 is moisturizing with aloe vera. Aloe vera is soothing and hydrating for the skin. Apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel to your face after toning to moisturize and soothe the skin. Number 5 is face mask with yogurt and turmeric. Mix plain yogurt with a pinch of turmeric to create a face mask. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and brightening properties, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps exfoliate and moisturize the skin. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Number 6 is hydrating with green tea. Brew some green tea and let it cool down. Use it as a facial mist or soak a cotton pad into and apply it to your face. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce redness and inflammation while providing hydration. Number 7 is getting enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your skin time to repair and rejuvenate. Number 8 is drinking water. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is the key for maintaining healthy skin and promoting a natural glow. Number 9 is balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats to nourish your skin from the inside out. Remember, consistency is a key when it comes to seeing results with home remedies. Also, if you have sensitive skin or an allergies, it's essential to do a patch test before trying any new ingredients on your face. If you experience any irritations, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. Hope you like this video. I'll be right back after a very short break. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you. Bye bye.